Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are starting a series regarding Google Maps. In the first video I'm showing how to find the distance and direction in Google Maps. So let's see, like for example, I want to find the distance from Washington DC to Miami or any other state. Let's choose Miami. So if I'm gonna give if I'm traveling from Washington to Miami, how long it will take and what is the distance between those two points. So let's see, like for example, if I'm driving using car, personal car, you can choose this option and it will give you the time and distance. It says 1058 miles and it will take 15 hours, approximately 15 hours 45 minutes, and this route has toll. And it will also give us alternate routes like I-95S, I-77S, I-81S, and alternative routes, but it has more distance but no tolls in that route. That is about the way of traveling using car, and it will show the map how it works, and here it will show the crash if there is any accidents or something in the Google Maps, in that particular route it will show that. Alright, now if I'm gonna go using public transport and public transit, it will show me the way and the way how I need to go. Like for example, first of all I need to take Washington Union Station metro or train, Silver Meteor, I don't know the name, and I need to get down in Orlando and walk about 8 minutes, and S Orange Ave and Ecopolant DR whatever, and from there I need to take get 11 bus I think, and I need to get down at Jeff Fuqua Boulevard S. I'm sorry about the names, especially I'm not familiar with these names, but anyway you need to get down here and get downtown Miami and then walk about 8 minutes, and then you get another bus, and then you will be at Miami, Florida. So it will says approximate time, like it will take approximately 1 day if you're going by public transport and train and bus and all. And walking distance, there is no meaning, however if you want to walk it will take you like 365 hours, and you can also cycle if you want. There is an option. It will take you 98 hours, like 4 days at least. And flights, non-stop flights are available, connecting flights are available. You can see more results in Google Flights, so that you will be able to see what are the flights available from Washington DC to Miami. Alright, so that how it works. We understood how to calculate the distance, how to calculate the how to find the direction and all. Alright, I hope this video was helpful to you. We'll have more videos regarding Google Maps. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.